नामलिंगानुशासनं नाम अमरकोशः। यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्य नघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रियै चामृताय च। अथ नाट्यवर्गः। We completed the Natya Varga. So we will go for some more meanings in Natya Varga, and then if somebody is there to recite and to take the mock test or something, please let me know. We will start the mock test whenever people are ready, because there are 60-65 people who there. If you want some practice for mock test, please let me know. Now we are doing we will do the meanings for about 10 minutes from now. For 10 minutes we are in Natya Varga. Now in that I think we are in line number 4. Attika Bhagini Jyeshtha Nishtha Nirvahane Same, that we finished. Okay. Kalyani Bhagini Shruyate va?
Shruyate Mahoday.
So the next word is Hande. So Hande, Hanje, Halahwane, Nicham, Chetim, Sakim, Prati. Now what they are telling here is Ahvanam. Ahvanam is calling. So in Natya Shastra we call somebody. So if you are calling a person of a Nicha Patra Stri, then you call it Hande. For Cheti, for all the servant maids and all these people, you call them as Hanje. For Sakhi, you will call it as Hala. Hala Akaranta. Now Akaranta, whether it is a Shabda, Hanje, Hande, Hala, all these three are Avyayas. They are not Akaranta or Ekaranta or something. They are Avyayas. Please note this. This is very, very important. They are Avyayas. So this is for Ahvanam. Angaharonga Vikshepaha Vyanjakabhinayau Samau. No. Angaharaha Angavikshepaha Vyanjakabhinayau Samau. Angaharaha. Angaharaha is so when they are doing the Abhinaya inside the Nritya, so when the Anga, which means the parts of the body, they shaking the parts of the body, or Vikshepa is moving, the chalana that we do for the parts of the body is called Angaharaha, Angavikshepaha. These are Anganam Chalanam. Angaharaha अंगविक्षेपः एतद्वयमपि पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः। नृत्ये अथवा नाट्ये अंगानां चालनं चलनचालनम् अंगहारः इति उच्यते। व्यञ्जकाभिनयौ समौ, व्यञ्जक अभिनय both mean the same, so व्यञ्जक and abhinaya are synonyms. व्यञ्जक abhinayau samo, abhinaya is showing actions for the natya. Abhinaya, what they say, so the actions corresponding to the script. So these are the angika bhavavishkarana. So what will happen is, when you do this angika vachika like that, there are different types of bhavavishkarana. In any natya shastra, the bhavavishkarana happens through many types. So this is angika, which means through the parts of the body we show the abhinaya, we do the anga chalana, and these are the anga vinyasa, and through this we express the bhava. The expressions are being told or shown in the stage in natya shastra. So angaharonga vikshepah व्यञ्जकाभिनयौ समो, व्यञ्जक and abhinaya are two pullinga shabdas. निर्वृत्ते त्वङ्गसत्त्वाभ्यां द्वे त्रिष्वाङ्गिकसात्विके. Now निर्वृत्ते त्वङ्गसत्त्वाभ्यां द्वे त्रिषु आङ्गिकसात्विके. What they are trying to say is, there are two kinds of angika and satvika. One second. So what I was trying to see is whether, just to give me a second. So this is what I was searching. I was searching for the shloka from the Bharatanaट्य Shastra. So now I got that shloka because I thought I should tell that shloka. Now when we are talking about Angahara, Angaharongavikshepaha. Now what is this Angahara? Sthirahastadi Shatrimshat Samproktahyangahārakaः Karanairiha Sanyukta Angahara iti smritaः. So these are Angaharaha. You have about Shatrimshat Angaharakas are there. About 36 types of Angahara can be shown. That is showing the Abhinaya or Angavikshepa. Karanairiha Sanyukta. The three Karanas are Kayena, Vacha, Manasa. So Karanairiha Sanyukta. Vacha, Manasa, Kaya. Though it is Kayena, Karana here refers to Karana. Angahara iti smritaha. The Kaya Karana. Sthirahastongaharastu tata paryastakah puman suchi viddhastatha chaiva vyapaviddhastathaiva cha. So if you go to the Natya Shastra, they also classify this further as Sthirahasta, Angahara, then Suchi Viddha. All these classifications are also there, which we have to go to the Shastra and study that. So this is Angahara and Angavikshepa, which we studied already. Then coming to Vyanjaka and Abhinaya. Yasmat padarthan nayati tasmad abhinayaha iti smritaha. So there are Natya Shastra, there are padarthas. So because the padarthas are being taken by the abhinaya. So padartha, this bhavanas and all these things, these are being taken by the abhinayas. Yasmat padarthan nayati tasmad abhinayaha. Nirvrutte tvanga sattvabhyam Dve Trishu Angika Satvike. So they say Angika and Satvika. There are two kinds of Bhruvikshepa. The Anganirvrutta or Angavikshepa takes in the form of two types. One is the Angika and the other one is the Satvika. The Angena Nivritram Bhruvikshepadihi. That means Bhru is eyebrow. So the dancer, she uses her eyes and eyebrows and she tries to move the eyebrow. All these Angavikshepadi yata Angena Nirvrittam. That which is externally shown by the part of the body, that is called Angika. Then you have Antakaranena Nishpannam. From the inner, this one, suppose you want to be very angry, you want to show anger in your dance or in your Natya or Natana, what you will do, you will bring out that anger from your inside. That is called Antakaranena Nishpanna, say Sweda, Romanchana, Ityadi Bhavaha. They are called Satvika Bhavas. So that is what he is trying to say. Nirvritte Tvanga Sattvabhyam Dve Trishwan Sattvabhyam Anga Sattvabhyam Dve Nirvritte Trishu Angika Satvike. Now it is in Trishu. This Angikaha, Angiki, Angikam. Satvikaha, Satviki, Satvikam. Like that, Angika and Satvika word are in Trilinga. That is why Trishu is used here. Trishu Angika Satvike. So Angena Nirvartitam Angikam antakaranena nishpannam satvikam iti uchyate. Like that you can have the two bhavas. One is bhruvikshepadi bhavas, angika bhava. Satvika bhava is stambha, sweda ityadi satvika bhavas. And when what do you do through these bhavas? You do the abhinaya. That is what you are trying to do. When you do the abhinaya, what actually happens is rasabhivyakti happens. This is the most important part. In Natya Shastra, the heart of Natya Shastra is the rasabhivyakti. What is that rasabhivyakti? Whatever rasa, the sentiment that is being displayed by the artist or the dancer on the stage, the same rasanubhuti should be felt in the audience. The audience or the person who is seeing should have the same rasanubhuti in him. For that rasanubhuti to happen, you have the rasas and all these angika, satvika bhavas, etc. Angika, satvika, vachika, all these things you get that rasabhivek in order to bring this rasa together. This why this rasa is to God. This rasa itself, is called as Brahmananda Sahodara or Raso Vaisaha. That rasa is it gives you Brahmananda, it gives you extreme happiness. When Rama and Bharata are speaking on the stage, and Bharata calls Rama, and Rama gives Bharata his paduka, and Bharata goes away. Then after Bharata goes away, Rama thinks of Bharata and cries, and internally he cries and goes into his hermitage. He who has not at all cried till date, he cries after Bharata goes away. That cry, when you experience on the stage, when you see Rama crying on the stage, you should also feel like crying. If you, that means you have the aropa of Rama in yourself, and you experience that bhava. This bhava is brought about through the abhinaya, and it is angika and satvika, and that is what they are defining by words. Angaharonga vikshepo vyanjaka abhinayau samau nirvritre twanga satvabhyam dve trishvangika satvike. I will see if Lasya Bhagini is there. Lasya is not there. Lasya, she's there. Okay. So Lasya, I will just unmute her. Lasya, do you have anything to add here on from the Natya Shastra front?
No, not really.
Okay. So Lasya is a very good dancer. So I think she does all these bhavas and all. Do you have any if I have told anything incorrectly? I am not a very good dancer, but I have read some Natya Shastra in my Alankara Shastra. That with that knowledge I am telling. But if you have anything to add, please feel free to add. Anybody who has experienced or who knows about dance in these two lines, I am talking about Angahara, Angavikshepa, Angika, Satvika. These two lines I am talking about. These two lines, they can be explained more. There are other things to be explained. If anybody wants to add, you can add. Lasya, you have any point to add here?
No, not really. I think you covered most of it.
Okay, dhanyavadaha. Anybody else has got anything to add on the explanation in these two lines? Don't go for any other line. I am asking about specifically these two lines. No other questions. For now, these two lines, if you want to add, please raise your hand. Panchanadam sir.
Yes, you gave a very good explanation. One observation is you don't have to be a dancer to explain the intricacies of the abhinaya, and at the same time, without any offense, not all dancers know the importance or details of the meaning of this. Yeah, that it is very nicely, beautifully described. My only thing is Satvika. It is you are talking about the expression of the internal feeling. But what I'm feeling is Satvika is not independent of Angahara or Angavikshepa or Abhinaya. But that's the medium through which you are explaining. There is a saying which many people know. Eto drishti, eto hasat tato drishti he, eto drishti he tato manaha, eto manasato bhavaha, eto bhavasato rasa. Rasa is important. And all these are brought out by combination of all these. So, yeah, that is my comment. But generally, the explanation is very, very nicely done. We are written in 2 lines in a very, interesting way, but there's a lot more to it than just reading these 2 lines. So, very nice. Thank you.
Yeah. Dhanyavadaha. So, I will just summarize that few things. So there are 4 types of abhinayas. So I will just give you the abhinaya. The 4 types of abhinayas are angika. Oh, it is there here. I don't know whether it is there. Angika abhinaya. So if we go for angika abhinaya, it is the expression of the limbs and what they are saying. Then you have vachika abhinaya, which is not told here, which is expression of speech. Then you have aharya. Aharya abhinaya is the costume, the type of dress, the scene, the setting the scene on the stage, and the sattvika abhinaya. Now, in any natya, be it even the Kathakali dance or anything, or you have this Yakshagana in Karnataka, you have other Bharatanatyam and all these kinds of dance. When we are expressing the dharmartha kama moksha of a particular kriti, through everything is through these 4 things. That is angika, vachika, aharya, sattvika. So this is what he tells. Now in Amarakosha, what they did was he spoke about angika and sattvika. The aharya is generally maybe he'll cover it in a different way. Currently in these 2 lines, he's talking about angika abhinaya and sattvika abhinaya. So that is what we have to talk about. This abhinaya is required because the rasotpatti should happen inside the artist who is doing it, and then because of his abhinaya, we have to get the rasanubhava as audience who are seeing the natya. So this is the ultimate purpose of Natya Shastra. Radhika?
Hari Om. This nirvritte tvanga sattvabhyam dve. This dve, does it refer to that angika and anga and sattva are 2 words? Or does it refer to the linga, like dyo diva dve, like that?
No.
Because the next is trishu angika sattvika, that is in 3 lingas it says. What does that dve refer?
Nirvritte tvanga sattvabhyam dve. Now you again, so what they are trying to say is dve anga sattvabhyam, anga sattva, so which refers to angika and sattvika. Dve refers to 2. There are 2 types here which are through the angika and sattvika. That is what yathakramam he is trying to tell. there it is not.
Not the two lingas.
It is not the two lingas. The first point. The Trishu is the linga, which tells that, and that is for Angika and Satvika words. Trishu is Trilingas for Angika and Satvika. That means, suppose you tell Angika Abhinayaha. So, like that, Angikam, it will come in Napumsakalinga, Angikaha in Pullinga, Angiki in Angiki, Satviki in Strilinga. Sorry, I didn't tell Strilinga. So Angika, Angiki, Angikam, Satvika, Satviki, Satvikam. So this is the Abhinaya, 4 types of Abhinaya. Thank you for raising this question. Amit, do you have any question?
Ram Mahoday. According to question नास्ति, प्रश्नं नास्ति, नाटक विषये रसः डांस विषये भिन्नं भिन्नं मतः अस्ति 10 रूपक मध्ये। रस नाटक based on रस and dance based on position.
Astu. I lost Amit. I don't know why. Suddenly he
Ram Mahoday connection poor asti. So according to Dhananjay and Dhanik Das Rupak, he says natak based on ras and dance based on mudras, positions, and who जो करता है नाटक जो करता है उसको डांसर बोलते हैं, एक अभिनेता बोलते हैं, तथा जो डांस करता है उसे डांसर बोलते हैं। और डांस 2 प्रकार का इन्होंने बताया। एक होता है मार्ग और एक होता है देसी आद्य।
वो शास्त्र के लेवल में आप बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है?
जी जी।
वेरी गुड। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। रूपसुधा।
नमस्ते महोदय।
क्वेश्चन இருக்கா?
அந்த 425 லைன் இருக்கு, விளம்பிதம் திருத்தம் மத்தியம் சார். நானும் டான்ஸ் கத்துருக்கேன். அதுல வந்து 1ஆம் காலம் 2ஆம் காலம் 4ஆம் காலம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸ்பீட் ஆஃப் தி டான்ஸ் ஸ்டெப்ஸ் போடுறதுல.
ஓகே.
அது தாள லயம்ங்கிறது வந்து ரெஸ்ட்ல இருக்குது, சாமியம்ங்கிறது பாஸ் பண்றது பாஸ்ல. அது 1ஆம் காலம் 2ஆம் காலம் 4ஆம் காலம் ஸ்பீட் ரைஸ் பண்றதுல வரும் சார்.
ஓகே.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद. Thank you for sharing. वेंकटेश महोदय, किमपि प्रश्नः अस्ति वा? वेंकटेश.
That's me. Okay. Is it too late to register for the midterm assessment?
You can register, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'll do that. It said 17 deadline and I missed it. Thanks.
No, please. I think it is open.
Okay.
Namaskar, sir. One follow-up comment on, I think it is Amit, on the dance. Yes, dance is classified into 2 forms, Nritta and Nritya. Nritta is pure foot movements. However, the main idea or the reason for doing a dance to bring out that emotion. It's not just like a, gymnastics where you just, even in gymnastics, their importance is given to the rasa, that is, you have to bring out the emotion. So yeah, Dhananjayan has done this, discussion, foot movement and the rasa. But at the end of the day, the rasa is the culminating emotion. The part of any dance should be part of any dance, even if it is important on simple, any movement, whether it is Bollywood dance or it is whatever martial art dance and all this. Important is rasa. So I think that's a description he has given is very nice. I wanted to add that.
Dhanyawada. Okay, we will stop the class here. Rasa, we have to get into rasas tomorrow. Shringara Veera Karunadbhuta Hasya. We will get into the rasa tomorrow. We'll discuss the Navarasas and we'll go further. Then, Dhanyawada. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।